Have you ever wondered why some students seem to find the English language exam so easy while others struggle despite working and studying really hard? The secret might not be what you think. It's all about having a rich vocabulary. But where do you begin? Especially when trying to succeed in exams like the Cambridge English B1 preliminary exam. This challenge can seem huge at first glance. Hello, I'm Megan, and I'm your guide today on this fascinating journey of words and phrases. Welcome to Smart Sprouts English, where we help young learners age 8 to 14 develop language proficiency. As a seasoned online teacher from Canada, I specialize in breaking down the steps to help students develop reading, writing, and speaking. My goal is to expand their vocabularies, preparing them for not only success in exams, but success in conversations. Today, we are going to look at phrasal verbs. These are just not words, but they are keys to unlocking deeper understanding and expression within the English language, specifically tailored for those who want to ace their Cambridge English B1 preliminary exam. This promises to equip you or your child with the tools necessary for success. So join me as we look at some phrasal verbs. If you've looked at the list of vocabulary for the Cambridge English B1 preliminary exam, you might feel overwhelmed. You're not alone. Many parents and students find themselves overwhelmed, questioning where to even begin. The challenge isn't just about knowing a lot of words, it's about knowing the right words and knowing how to use them. To help you out, I recommend focusing on phrasal verbs as one of the most efficient strategies to enhance your vocabulary. Why? Because phrasal verbs are commonly used in both spoken and written English, making them very important for exam preparation. Let's look at 5 phrasal verbs that you can use in your daily English. Number 1, turn down or to reject. She turned down his invitation. Number 2, look after, which means to take care of. Can you look after my dog this weekend? Number 3, come across, to find by chance. I came across an old friend at the mall today. Doesn't have to be people. Maybe you'd say, I came across a really great sale on pineapple at the grocery store today. Don't forget to like this video if it's helpful and subscribe for more helpful tips to help you prepare for your English exam. Let's look at tip 4, bring up, which means to raise a topic. I wanted to bring up the issue of funding during the meeting. This means you want to get everyone talking about something. I wanted to bring up the issue of garbage in our community. There's a lot of garbage and I don't know where people are putting it. And number 5, settle in. To become familiar with a new place. It took some time to settle in after moving to a new city. To help you remember these, let's practice together. For instance, create sentences using each of these phrasal verbs. Post them in the comments below and I can give you feedback. Tip 2, try identifying phrasal verbs from a given text that you're reading. Maybe you're reading a book or a story or a newspaper article. See if you can spot the phrasal verbs. While memorizing lists is helpful, using these phrases in everyday situations is where the real mastery begins. Encourage your child to use new phrasal verbs during dinner conversations or write them in their journal entries. Soon enough, they'll be using them without even thinking. Imagine seeing that spark in your child's eye when they nail these complex phrases during an actual conversation, or get praised by their teachers for their impressive vocabulary range. My former students have shared stories about feeling more confident and connected with their language skills, all thanks to emphasizing practical application and using their language like phrasal verbs rather than rote learning or memorization. In conclusion, enhancing vocabulary with the daily use of phrasal verbs isn't just about passing your Cambridge English B1 preliminary exam. It's about building confidence and fluency in English for conversations in life. At Smart Sprouts English, I'm here to guide parents and their children through this learning journey with specialized tutoring that focuses on real results. I encourage you to take action today. Start by incorporating these phrasal verbs into daily practice. If you're looking for more structured guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to me at Smart Sprouts English. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials aimed at helping young learners achieve their full potential in language exams. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it with others who might be on a similar path of preparing for language exams, like the Cambridge English exam. Lastly, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below about other language challenges your child faces or topics you'd like covered in future videos. Let's grow our community of confident, successful English speakers together.